Hello, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I last uploaded, so I figured I might make another Java tutorial for Java operators. But before I start, I would like to make a quick disclaimer that I expect you to have a JDK installed and IDE ready to go. I'm using the Eclipse IDE, but if using things like IntelliJ, Li, Visual Studios, or NetBeans, that's alright as long as it can run Java. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to leave a comment, and I'll try my best to reply back and help you in any way I can. So, let's begin. Java operators are symbols that are declared as that declares a subject or initialize one, and you can use it for math equations or see if something's true or false, as I already said. In some operators, plus sign, the minus sign, the star sign, and the slash. And I'm going to show some examples of uses of it. So to get started, first we have to create a Java project. Call it Java operators. Click finish. Don't create. Next, we're going to have to make a Java class. Call it operators tutorial. And click this right down here and click start. So I'm going to delete this first. And to get started, we first have to make some variables. So we are going to do init, and I'm going to do the addition first. Click init add, so that's just the name of the init, equals, let's do 1 plus 2. There we go. Let's make another one for subtraction. I'm going to call it sub short, so we're going to have to do something like 7 subtract by 5. Another one for multiplication, I'm going to call it mult, and I'm going to do 6 times 3. And final one for division, I'm going to call it div, and it's going to be something like 10 divided by 2, something simple. In order for this to be all read into the console, we have to do system.out.println. And semicolon. I'm going to copy and paste this real quick. And I'm going to add every variable's name on it, so we can print it out in this console. The mult, and last one, div. So if I save it, play, down here it's going to show the addition one, subtraction one, multiplication, and division. So the first one's addition, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Second one's subtraction, 7 subtracted by 5 is 2. Multiplication one, 6 times 3 is 18, and division, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Alright, it's simple enough. Not that hard or anything. It's rather simple. There are some other ones as well, other operators that can test if things true or false. For example, like greater than sign, I'm just going to show this for example, or the less than or more than or equal to sign or whatever. And in order to use these, I'm just going to those out real quick. Is making another init. I'm going to call this num, just a number. Make it easy, and I'm going to do 10. Int num equals 10. So if I do an if statement, if num is more than equal to 11, then I'm going to do make it say it's true. So system out print then true. But if it's false, we have to put an else and then just use system.out print when, and you're just typing false. I spelled that wrong. So this is pretty much saying if num is more than or equal to 11, it will say true. But if it's not, it's going to say false. So if we click play, obviously you're going to know what the outcome is. It's going to say false. It's kind of hard to see on this since the words are tiny, but on your screen, if you're following along, it should say false. But if you change the number up here to say 15, click save, and it's going to say true. Simple as that. And now same thing with 11, because it's equal to. But if we remove this variable where it's not equal to, it's going to say false. So you probably get the point. This is something that you probably learned at a young age. Same thing with like if you change the variable around. So yes, this symbol means less than or equal to, and the other one is less than. This one's less than. So pretty sure you all got the point. And there are some more operators like equal. That just mean if this is like the exact same number. So it's going to say true. If I change it to this number to 12, it's false. Same thing. But yeah, that's really just about it. Operators are fairly easy to remember. It's just remembering what's the right one, because this is different from equal. I can't do that actually because it makes a exception. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I will leave a link to all of the operators down in the description. It explains it very easily, and it has every other operator, like the and that, or which that means or. So if I do that and this, this literally means if number is exactly equal to 11 or the number is more than 9, then it's true or it's going to be false. And of course, the number is more than 9, so it says true. So yes, this was a fairly quick and easy and simple video. I'm only 9 minutes in, so if you need any other help, please put a comment down below. I will try my best to help you out. And if you have any other questions about Java programming, leave a comment. I'll probably make another tutorial video about it. And it will also be very helpful if you leave a like and subscribe, because I procrastinate a lot. And you guys leaving a like and subscribing will really help me out. So thank you, and have a great rest of your day.